Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A34 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Let's tap. Then tap on Special App Access and find Install Unknown Apps. And here in this list we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that in my case Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.